Down, down, deeper and down. The rumor burned, yeah, straight through the town. And when it landed, everybody thought that the truth had been caught. Down, down, deeper and down. Her reputation began to drown. And as the rumor grew, so did her vow that she wouldn't let this down.
Lütfen yerlerinizden kalkmayınız ve barış dolaplarını açmayınız. Dear guests, our aircraft has entered prime position and please return to the passenger seat back. Thank you.
And as all human thoughts left her mind, the smell of blood became so fine.
Welcome to Berlin. After a 4-hour flight, we are in Berlin. If you are ever in Berlin during Christmas time, it's a great time to visit the city because of the Christmas festivity. Berlin is one of those places that enables you to experience architecture, art, and history, and this happens within the first day. We visited the most important points of the city and we never stop for 4 days. If you get the chance, please pause this video, click the like button, and be sure to subscribe to Lifeology.
Just landed in Berlin. It's time to go out and explore the city. Before we explore, we're probably going to go back to the hotel. Keep track of everything we do. Hold on. I gotta show you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling a little drunk from the hot dog I just ate. But what are you focused on most likely? Interesting things can happen when you come to Germany, Deutschland.
Open up, guys. We want to go there. We can't find our way. Help us.
Help you?
Can Oh! Help me!
Where are we going?
Half and half.
Hoppenhof. Is this the train or?
I don't know. I don't have any idea.
You don't have any idea?
Help me. I'm in traffic. Bu deli bir şey.
Ama çıkarak. Ha, buna bineceğiz. S3 yazıyor mu senin haritanda? S7, S9 yok, bu değil. Ama bu da gider, freni dırışlarsın. We walked out of the train station, and then we're walking back into the train station because apparently Germans like having dinner indoors inside train stations that smell like train stations. Watch your foot.
I'm so hungry, and I don't want to talk. See you later.
The train system was a little bit difficult to understand at first, but we got the hang of it after. As we were getting more and more tired as the day went on, since it was our first day in Berlin, we decided to head back to our hotel room.
Today, it's 6 a.m. and we are about to exit the building. Is that correct, Sue?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we going? We're gonna get breakfast, and then we're gonna go see some Holocaust memorial stuff. Yes. Here's the plan. Come on over. Are currently located in this region right here, and we're gonna jump over here onto the train, and then from this location we're gonna take the train all the way over here where all the memorials are. So once we go to the memorials, we'll be able to. I think we're getting out of the central train station, Hauptbahnhof, and then we'll check out the memorials. We'll see. Oh, we're definitely going here. There's this huge building, and here is the, what is it called? The Brandenburger Tower. And this is the Siegskull Tower. So this is basically this huge monumental park that we're going to be viewing. And we'll be at the central station, we'll get some breakfast, this, that, and we're going to see the Super Spy Museum, like the Spy Museum. Was that annoying enough?
1, 2, 3, and...
Do you want to carry my shiny, stylish, and helpful.
Oha, agentiz biz. Su, bana bak. 7 saniye.
Bak şöyle yapıyorum.
This is one of the first decoders ever built to take away stuff from the spies, I guess, I don't know, from the Germans specifically. And it's in the Imitation Game, the movie that was made, and it's a pretty good movie.
Little mermaid swimming.
This is the US Army checkpoint back in the day with Berlin.
Her eyes as bright as crystal waters in the deep, swimming around with curiosity. There must be more to life than what those eyes could see. One night she swims up to the shore, to a wonderful sound she's never heard before. There stood a tall, handsome man on the beach.
What is this? You tell me. I don't know.
It's a door.
What kind of a door?
Freedom. Liberty.
So this is the liberty of speech door that we all wanted to create. So the bridge behind me is the Brandenburg Gate. It is from the 18th century and it's a neoclassical monument.
Run away with me, you, me, and the sea. Come away with me, sail 7 seas with me. Run away with me, you.
Almanya'da yaşam çok acayip olmasına rağmen peynir. Şuna bak bak.
Alexanderplatz Galeria marketi.
That gorgeous girl in the water.
What to talk about?
Şunlar ne?
Bak bu çok güzel. Dostum bu ne?
And he said, come away with me.
When you're a vlogger, you act like this. This is what a world-class post-production person looks like. Relationship goals. Vlogging one side to the other. Şey yapar.
O benimki dik oldu. O yüzden.
Yatay yap. Her zaman yatay.
Ya.
She swam away in a hurry,
Nasıl?
confused by these feelings of love. But every night he'd go to meet her. She'd watch him play his soulful harp. He bought a boat in the harbor and told his friends what he would do.
Anlamış değilim. Sen de mi? We visited the memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe. This is what it looks like. Visiting this memorial showed us more than we thought. This is about not only Jews, not only Germans, not only a bunch of cultures in the world. It just means that no one life is better than another life. We need to realize that every human being is equal around the world, and it's critical to remember how rotten humans can be, how bad we can be to one another. We see this around the world, and I think it's time that the world as a human race unites. Now, me being a Turkish, American, and German citizen, I feel that I'm a citizen of this earth. I really think that this is our time to shine. As a human race, this is our time to come together and to make a change. And the change starts here. We need to start by putting our differences aside and working united as one to become a good planet. We need to work united as one to become a prosperous human race. We only have one home. That is the earth.